Hey guys, so it is day 12. It is day 12 of postpartum, day 12 of him, and day 12 since I've given birth to him. And it's been I had a breakdown today, and it was I guess it came, I can't even think about it. It's making me want to cry. I'm not an emotional person or anything, but obviously it's hormones, it's just everything together. But I really, I actually can't stop. Like, I really want to cry. I have really been struggling mentally and emotionally with this. Emotionally, not so much. I think I didn't realize emotionally until like I literally started bawling my eyes out. And that was I just got really worried about him. What is it? Projectile vomiting. He did that 3 times. So twice yesterday and once today. And I just, basically, being a mom, especially to a newborn, you just panic. And I kind of panicked and I was like, oh my goodness, what if something is wrong with him? And then I checked his iron and stuff, but like, just like his gums were a bit yellow, his like under eyes, like if you go like this, basically they were really pale. And he's just a really pale baby in general, and he's really lazy with like opening his eyes and stuff. And then panic literally set in. Like, I started panicking like crazy. I started feeling really sick because I was like, oh my god, what if my baby's ill? And then I ended up having a breakdown, and it was pretty crazy because I just couldn't stop crying. And that's very unlike me. Like, I'm not really somebody who cries. Like, when like I get down and I get stressed more than anything else. Like, when it comes to my emotions, stress is the one that I feel the most. And like, but like sadness and crying is not something that I do. Basically, it's just not in my nature. So anyway, that was a bit of a shock, and I think I just got really worried for him. And then I think I'm just really overwhelmed with the whole house. Oh my goodness, the house is just stressing the life out of me. And I'm not somebody who stresses about housework, but it just dawned on me that I spent so long yesterday cleaning the kitchen, went into the kitchen, and it's still dirty. Like, it looks like it hasn't been cleaned for a week, and I deep cleaned it yesterday. Like, I spent ages doing it. So that really, really got me down, and it was really depressing. And then like the amount of laundry, like he ran out of bibs last night because he vomits a lot, and he has like acid reflux. So I ran out of bibs, and I had loads, but I'm just like, I can't keep up. Oh, my health visitor is here. Hey guys, we are back. Oh, sorry baby, sorry. And the midwife was here. As you can see, we got our book bag, got our little red book. Alhamdulillah, everything's okay. So they checked him and they said that I don't need to worry about anything, which is amazing. And to be honest, like, I'm so happy they're able to come to the house and like do the checks and stuff, because it's so convenient. And honestly, like, I can't praise the NHS enough. I've had such good experience, alhamdulillah, in the hospital, like with the midwives and stuff. Just really, really good. And I feel like it's so important to have that help, and just to see like professionals and have people who look at babies all the time have a look at him and then say, okay, he's healthy. Because I really didn't want to go to the hospital, and just, it's so long. But yeah, oh, anyway, I'm so glad everything's okay, alhamdulillah. I did really want to film this pretty little thing haul, but I really don't think it's gonna happen. He's super clingy today, and because he vomited everywhere earlier, like, I feel really bad just leaving him. So I'm just gonna look after him. He looks so much like Nazmia when she was a baby. It's crazy. It's like having Nazmia all over again. Oh, and he just smiled. Oh, I want to cry. My little baby. I feel like Witness me, I really wanted a baby, so I was really happy when she was born. But with him, it's a little bit different. It's like I love the newborn stage so much, and then to experience this again, it's just so beautiful, and I'm so emotional today. But yeah, I've got had so much to film, but it's just really not happening. My whole outfit, apart from my scarf, is from Pretty Little Thing. Let me show you. So this cardigan and these jogging bottoms and this crop top. This is actually a crop top, but it's really nice. It's like a knitted crop top, and it just looks like this, and it's just really casual. And yeah, you know what, I'm so used to wearing hijab that I feel very uncomfortable wearing turbans. It's really insane. But yeah, I just wanted to come on, update you guys how I'm getting on, what postpartum is like. Alhamdulillah, I've been healing a lot better. I've been super dizzy this time around, but feeling a lot better now. And yeah, that's it really. And my baby carrier is from Baby Born, and I'm gonna link it below because it's amazing and it's so easy to put the baby in, and it's just really great. Hey guys, so basically, since I'm struggling to film this lookbook, I still want to show you the pieces, so I'm going to show you the pieces. And the first piece is basically this cardigan, which I have just been loving. This cardigan so much. It's great, it's got pockets. I'm literally going to be wearing this at home all the time now. Then I got these jeans, so I got these from the petite section. This is what they basically look like. I really like them. Okay, next is this very stunning jumper, which looks like this. I just love the sleeves. It's a little bit short. Here it is. So as you can see, it's a little bit shorter than how I would usually like my jumpers. I just had a baby, so obviously my body is just not there yet, and I can't wait till I can start exercising and stuff again. But yeah, I love this jumper because it matches the scarf. I am super in love with this color, and I just love the bubbles and stuff. I think it's just such a cute jumper. I'm gonna show you guys these shoes, which I'm so gutted about because they are really tight on me. So my feet did swell when I was pregnant, and they still haven't gone back to normal yet. But how cute and gorgeous and just amazing are these boots that I also picked up, and I cannot wait till I can fit into them because they are so gorgeous. And then the last thing is a pair of leather trousers. So it's these leather trousers. I'm actually going to try them on and see how they look. Okay, I am so impressed with these leather trousers. Basically, this is what they look like. I love them. I think these were cropped on the website. I think that's how they were advertising them. And they fit me really well. And I love that they're not super tight, because then I can actually be comfortable in them. And I think I'm going to be wearing these out a lot, since this is one of the only pair of trousers that fit me nice and comfortably. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, which was basically a very casual vlog. It was an update of what's been happening, and also basically the stuff that I got. And I just really wanted to show it to you guys in a very casual way, because let's be real, I just had a baby. The fact that I even have makeup on is incredible. I have two and under, and it's a pretty, I don't know how I'm gonna create content. I don't know how I'm gonna like do everything. It's super difficult. He's like half sleeping, but I'm half waking him up really. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more from me, let me know down in the comments below. Please like, share, leave lots of love. It means so much to me, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.